welcome back. I'm back. It's 2018. It's been since September. I apologize, but you know what? First and foremost, I just want to say how I hit 2,300 subscribers, and like, I'm obsessed. I can't handle it. I'm not bored. My hair's in a bun. You know, I got some new edge control. Literally, edges literally stay laid for days. Like, I'm not even kidding. But, anyways, haven't posted a video since September, okay? It's been a lot of months, but it's okay because I'm here and I'm excited. Literally, like, I feel like myself. Like, I'm back. Like, Kaylah's back. We're here. So this look I did was inspired by Tina Halada, something like that. Sorry if I, like, you know. But yeah, she's so bomb. Like, I can't. Like, seriously, every eye look that she does, like, what? It's just like a halo. Well, hers honestly, okay, I'm not gonna lie, I think mine is pretty good. Like, I'm impressed. But like hers, y'all, like, it is so bomb. It's like, I'm gonna link her video down below so you guys can see like what I was going for. Just know I'm good and I'm back and I'm here. Mentally, physically, I'm good. Kaylah's good, you know? We're just happy. I hope you guys like this. Yeah. Give it a thumbs up. Keep subscribing. Love you so much. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at Kaylah Arnae. Snapchat needs to figure it out because we're not doing that. And I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about, but Snapchat, no, it's not what's happening. We're not going to do that today. We're not talking about it, but still follow me. But okay, love you. Thank you for watching. Right.